In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Lucidchart offline, a tool that's incredibly useful for creating detailed diagrams and flowcharts. Whether you want to brainstorm a new project or visualize complex systems, Lucidchart offers a robust set of tools. And while it's web-based, there are steps you can take to use it offline effectively. Let's dive right in. First, head over to the Lucid website by typing lucid.so into your browser's address bar. Once you've reached the Lucid homepage, look for the Login button. This will direct you to the page where you can access your account. If you're not already an active user, you can easily sign up from the login page. It's a straightforward process, and today we'll focus on those who already have accounts. Now click on Login, and when you're presented with the different login options, choose Sign Up with Google. This is convenient if you have a Google account, as it saves you from remembering another set of credentials. After selecting this option, you're brought to another screen where you'll click on your Google account to proceed. Ensure that you're logged into the correct Google account to avoid any inconvenience. Once you're in, you will be redirected to the main menu. From here, click on Open to access your documents. You may wonder how this relates to offline usage. Lucidchart works by auto-saving your changes to the cloud, but if you lose your internet connection, your browser will hold on to the changes. These will sync up with your account once you're back online. So there isn't an explicit offline mode button, but it essentially functions the same way in terms of document safety. At this point, you'll want to make sure your work is secured on your computer as well. Click on the File menu in the navigation bar. Then navigate down to the Download As option, where you can choose the format in which you'd like to save your work. Opt for JPEG or any other format you prefer. This selection allows you to save your chart as an image file, making it easy to store on your device and share with others. Finally, once you have chosen your desired format, move to the Download button and click it. This will save your document locally on your computer. Downloading your work periodically ensures you have a backup ready should you need to work offline or want additional editing options using other tools. And there you have it. With these steps, you can efficiently use Lucidchart, ensuring your diagrams are safely stored whenever and wherever you need them. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials. See you in the next video.